Do you want parlor-like facial at home or parlor-like glow at home? Either ways, I have solution for both, and this solution you will find in one single video, which is this video. If you want to know more about the solution, please keep on watching this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and this is my channel The Beauty Bliss. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can achieve parlor-like glow at home using only one single solution, that is this VLCC facial kit. It is the diamond variant. The VLCC facial kit has many variants, but I have selected the diamond one because I have used this kit previously as well, and it is very safe for your skin. It won't cause any harm or damage to your skin. That's why I'm going to show step-by-step process of how to use this kit at home and get the amazing glow on your face. So this solution which I'm sharing with you is cost effective because this kit comes for 441 rupees only, whereas if you go to a parlor treatment, then you have to spend 1000 or even more than 1000 rupees for one single facial treatment. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So over here, the first thing what I did is I got into my comfortable clothes, and now I'm tying my hairs behind so that it won't come on my face during the facial. And the second step is to remove my makeup, and over here I'm removing makeup with help of a makeup remover. And this is necessary step because you definitely can't do facial on the face which have makeup on it. So these are the products, how it looks from inside. It comes in a good tube form, which is actually good to store a product so that you can use the inside product for more than one uses. Although in box it has mentioned that we can use the product only for one time, but you can use it according to your needs. Like you can do 2 facials according to me and the quantity of the product that you get in one tube. So I'm beginning with the first step, and the first step is cleanser and toner. So this cleanser will help to deeply cleanse your skin, minimize your pores and make your skin ready for facial. The quantity you get in this tube is 10 gram per tube. So over here I took quantity according to me and how much I require for my face and neck area, and I'm using this cleanser in a circular motion and applying it all over my face and neck area, and I'm trying to massage it good into my skin, and after that I'm going to wipe this off with a moist cotton. There are a few pointers that I would like to share with you guys about facial. That is, try to do any kind of facial at night time and mostly avoid sun for getting out in sun for a day or so after a facial. Moving ahead to the second step is scrub, and on tube it's written diamond scrub. So this diamond scrub consists of diamond powder and jojoba oil. It detoxifies the skin and gently removes the embedded dirt and impurities from your skin. So I'm using this according to the directions given on tube, and over here they have written that to apply this on your skin, on your wet skin, that is on face or neck area, and massage it gently into circular motion for 3 to 4 minutes, and after that I'm just going to rinse this off. Can you guys see that glow that I'm getting just in 2 steps? Now in the third step I'm using diamond detox lotion, and this lotion consists of diamond powder and olive oil. It enhances skin natural defense mechanism by forming a protective layer on your skin. So I'm applying this lotion all over my face and neck area, and I'm trying to let the skin absorb, and I'm massaging this into my skin so good that my skin absorbs this lotion pretty well. In this fourth step I'm using diamond massage gel. The property of this gel is to get rid of premature aging caused by pollution. It consists of glycerin in it. So now I'm generously applying this lotion on my clean skin and massaging it for 5 to 10 minutes in a circular motion, and after that I'm going to just wipe this off with a moist cotton again. So to buy this product you can really purchase it anywhere. This product is easily available on Amazon, Flipkart, and even on Nykaa. You can visit those sites and type for VLCC facials. If you need any help for finding the products, you can definitely let me know in the comment section below. Now we already are on the fifth step, that is diamond wash off mask. Now as you can see, I'm struggling over here to remove the seal because of my long nails, and as you can see, the texture and consistency of the mask is so beautiful. You can literally see little diamond particles in it. And this mask I'm have to apply all over your skin, that is face and neck area, and we have to keep this for 10 to 15 minutes, and again we have to wipe this off with the cotton, or else you can directly rinse this mask. So this mask consists of diamond powder and glycerin, which is used to cleanse your skin and also make your skin look even tone and healthy. Finally, now we are on the last step, that is applying oil free moisturizing gel, which consists of SPF 15 in it, so that it will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Really love this moisturizer. You guys can definitely see there is a glow on my face, and I'm looking so happy after this facial done. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, comment on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the red button and the bell icon beside it. So see you next time in another video. Till then, bye.